Alright, my peeps, so here's my second summer produce haul. Check out my treasure chest box full of goodies. So check it out. Bam! So I got some new produce. Alright, so I got papayas in the bag, one jicama, the cantaloupes, the fresh pineapples, the new ones, 2 different varieties. The purple tunas. I know the lighting's kind of whack, but yeah. Let's see. More tunas. A few of my last mangoes back there. The previous pineapples, I only have 2, 4, 6 of them left. Jicama in the back. And cantaloupes, coconuts, Hercules pears, green and purple. And then I have all my green ones right here. I know the lighting's kind of whack, but yeah, hold on my peeps. And my drum kit, I've been jamming out lately, and yeah, I'm about to make a juice. Just cleaned everything. And look, let me get my flashlight. Oh, and I got some more prickly pears here. Since they don't fit, I'm gonna juice these also. So I got all of these prickly pears to juice. Yeah. This one's the one that I got for free, the pineapple. Probably juice this one today. Yeah, I'm gonna juice this one. Hopefully it's nice and good. More jicama, coconuts, and then the last of the carrots from the last produce haul. Probably juice these today for sure. Black beans that I got for free from JC from Taco Bell. And yeah, so let me show you guys. Yeah, so look, prickly pears all full, just all prickly pears, green ones. Whoa, this thing is heavy. Whoa. And then I got some purples and some greens in here. Some cocos. Some cantaloupes, jicama in the back. Pineapples. Purple prickly pears. Like, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mangoes. And then all prickly pears here. Purple ones. And then just some good old pineapples. And yep. But yeah, so there you go, my peeps. That's how I'm gonna do it. So this is how I'm stocked up for this week, and I guess 2 more weeks. Yeah, this should last for 2 weeks. Definitely 2 weeks. But yep, there we go, my peeps. And I still have my frozen stuff. I pretty much maximized it. Got a little bit of everything. But yeah, there you go, my peeps. I'm all stocked up. Yeah, and I'm video editing. This is yesterday's video from the produce market. Today is Sunday, the 18th. Yep. And then I'm listening to Breezing from George Benson. But yeah, my peeps, so that's what I've been doing. Just gonna do, and it's already 1:19, so I'm already getting thirsty, hungry, running out of energy. So, yep, I just washed everything, my granite, everything. I don't use soap. I just power rinse it with the pressure and with that hose attachment with that little gun. But yeah, there you go, my peeps. So I'm gonna start juicing and get some energy and keep going at it. And yep, but there you go, my peeps. That's my produce haul.